A lovely hello to all my 10th champion kids. How are you everyone? Welcome everyone. So just let me know I'm completely audible to everyone and I'm completely visible to everyone. Let's give me thumbs up so that I can move forward, I can move ahead. Please let me know I'm completely audible to everyone. You all can hear me? Yes, my dear lovely kids, I'm waiting for you everyone so that we can have a very fruitful session today, that is of surface areas and volume. Give me thumbs up everyone. You all can hear me and I am audible to everyone clearly. Everything is fixed. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for you everyone. Yeah. My lovely kids, you all are preparing for your board examination. That's why we have launched the program Operation 95 Plus for you all, because we also dreaming to get into you everyone so that you can achieve good marks in your board exam. And that is the reason why our faculty members, we all are working hard for you everyone. So I'm waiting for you everyone. Just let me know. I know you have been waiting for me for this session with complete excitement and complete passion. So that's why I'm here, your maths faculty, your Murtaza Sir here. So let's begin. Let's start today's session. That is of very important, most important previous year MCQs and most expected MCQs. So in today's session, we'll be solving top 20 MCQs questions of surface areas and volume. I think most of the students, feel worried in this chapter. I don't know why. I know this chapter demand a bit more calculation, mathematical calculation, but you cannot run away from the mathematical calculation, because the question will compulsory will come in your board exam from this chapter at around 7 to 8 marks, 6 marks. So I'm waiting for you. Give me thumbs up. You are there. You are waiting. You all have joined the session. Give me thumbs up. Yeah. So let's begin. Let's start, because we have to solve here 20 important questions for you everyone. So I hope the thing will be, it would be very nice of you if you will also sit with your copy and pen with me so that you can solve the question simultaneously with me, and I'm hoping that you should solve the question before my solution, I think. Yeah. So be seated with your copy and pen. I'm waiting for your response. Give me thumbs up. You are there. Everyone have joined the session. So let's start with first question here. So my dear lovely kids, the first question for you here, volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 125 ratio 27. The ratio of their surface area will be, there are 4 options here and you have to give the ratio of the surface area. One thing is given here. One thing is given. Can you solve this question everyone? I'm waiting for your answer. Can you solve this question? This question is very easy, I think. This question is fully based on formula. If you remember the formula, what is the formula for the volume of a sphere and what is the formula for the surface area of sphere? You can directly solve this question. And this question, I have picked up this question from your competency book. Let me show you the competency book here. This is your book here. You all can see this book, competency focused practice question. The better thing, the most beautiful thing about this book is the arrangement of question. You can get each and every level of question here in this book, and you can boost your performance. You can boost your preparation for your board exam. So basically, generally, I usually take the question from this book. So you can also purchase this book, Deeksha Vedantu competency focus book. Okay, so let's solve this question here. I'm waiting for your answer. What will be the answer, my dear lovely kids? So let's solve. Volumes of two spheres are in the ratio, this is the volume. Okay, so we know if there are two spheres, so what is the volume of a sphere? You all know 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Because we are talking about volumes. So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by, again for second sphere, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, which will be equal to what? 125 divided by 27. Can we write this? Because there are two spheres. I'm waiting for your answer. I want to see who can solve this question. Okay, so we can cancel here. So this will be r1 by r2 whole cube. Can we write this function? 125 is the cube of 5 and 27 is the cube of 3. So this will be whole power 3. So here we are getting r1 by r2 which is equals to 5 by 3. I hope this is clear to you till here. I hope this is clear to everyone till here. So the ratio of radius r1 by r2 of two spheres is 5 by 3. Now we have to find the ratio of surface areas. So we know the surface area of the spheres are 4 pi r square. But here we are talking about two spheres. So what we have to do here? We have to put r1 and r2 here because there are two spheres. Is it clear? Okay, is it clear? So now 4 pi will be cancelled. So r1 by r2 square, and we know r1 by r2 here is 5 by 3 square. So the answer will be 25:9. I hope this is clear to everyone. So the answer is 25:9. I hope this is clear to everyone. So the answer will be 25:9. I have already told you this question is completely based on formula. There is nothing challenging. There is nothing, there is no any kind of difficulty in this question. You all can tackle this question, but the condition is that you should have formula. Unless, otherwise you cannot do this question. Give me thumbs up if you all are there, my lovely kids. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your response because it encourages me, because you guys are joining the session. You guys are here. So it encourages us a lot because we are providing these sessions for you, everyone. So let's give me the response. Let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Let's do this question, guys. My champion, my lovely kids, let's do this question. You all can do this question. This is very simple question. Okay? But a bit tricky question. That's why I'm giving you here. Give me the answer. Yes, what will be the answer of this question? The volume of a cube is 2744 centimeter cube. You have to find the surface area here. If you know the formula of surface area and volume of cube, you can directly solve this question. There is nothing challenging. The volume of cube is already given here, and you have to find the surface area. You have to find the surface area. First, let me know. First, tell me, you know the formula. What is the formula for the volume of a cube? What is the formula of surface area? My champion, you should have formula first. If you don't know the formula, you cannot proceed the question. Don't worry, go and write the formulas first, learn the formula, memorize the formula, then only you can solve the surface area and volume question. But don't worry, I'm here. I'm here to boost, I'm here to give you the solution, I'm here to give you the trick how you can tackle the questions of surface area and volume. Okay, let's do this question. Is there anyone who can solve this question? I'm waiting for your answer. Anyone? Sneha? Hi, welcome Sneha. Welcome to the session of important MCQ. Wow, Chintu, Candy. Chintu is saying answer number B. Let's say Chintu, just wait for a little while. Let's check the answer, either you are correct or not. Welcome to the platform of Deeksha Vedantu, both of you guys. Okay, I'm waiting others. I'm waiting for others. Okay. So the point is here, the volume of a cube is given here. So we know the volume of a cube is what? Volume of cube is what? You all know. Side cube. The cube of side is called volume of cube. Yes, Aditya. Aditya is answered B. Okay, Aditya, just wait for a while. Let's do this question here. So can we write volume is already given 2744 equals to L cube, right? So we have to find the cube root, cube of this. So we can find the cube of this. So for this we have to take LCM for this. 2744, on taking the LCM, can we cancel by 2? So this will be 372. Again we can cancel by 2. 6, 8. 6, again we can cancel by 2 here. We can divide by 2. 3, 4, 2. And this will be divided by 7, 4, 8. And this will be what? Here. Sorry. This will be 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. This will be 3 here. That's why I'm 4, 9. 7 will be here. Again 7. Again 7. So there are number of 2s are 3 here and number of 7 are also 3. So we can write here 2 into 7, and this will be the cube root of what? 2744. So can we write here 14 cube? So the side of cube is 14 centimeter. Now what we have to do here? We have to find the surface area. So the surface area of cube is what? 6 into side square. I hope you know the formula. Okay, so 6 into side is 14, 14 square. So 14 square is equals to 196. Now what will be the answer? So let me give you a short trick to find the answer. If the ones digit is 6 here, and you have to multiply this 196 to 6, so 36 will be, so the ones position will be 6. So it implies that these two options will be incorrect. We cannot consider these two options because the ones digit is 6 here. Okay, so we have to multiply 196 by 6. So the answer will be 6, 18, 17 will be, and this will be 11. 1176 centimeter square. So whoever answered B, whoever answered B, wow, Chintu and Aditya, you both answered correct. Yeah, of course, 1176 will be centimeter square will be the answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. So the question number 3 is the volume of the largest right circular cone. Can you guys solve this question? I'm waiting for your answer. This is very easy. Sneha is answered B. Okay, Sneha, let's wait. Let's check. I'll do the question and let's check your answer if you're right or wrong here. So I'm waiting for others' response. Guys, please solve this question. My dear little champions, you all can do this question. I'm waiting. Superb. You guys are doing well here. Superb. You all can do this question. Look at the language. What information the question is providing to you. Go through the stepwise. What exactly the language is. I am waiting for the answer. So Sneha is answered B here. What others are doing? I am waiting for you all. Okay. So let's do this question here. The volume of the largest circular cone that can be cut out from a cube of edge 4.2 centimeter. So this question requires diagram. Let's make the diagram. What question is saying here? This is a cube. Let's say this is a cube here, and we are cutting a largest right circular cone. It implies that this cube is solid. Okay, Chintu is answered A. Okay, let's wait, Chintu. Okay, so we have to cut a right circular cone from this cube, and the side of cube is 4.2 centimeter. So each and every edge will be of 4.2 centimeter. This is the property of cube. Length, breadth, height, everything. Sneha Jaswal. Okay, so now we have to cut a right circular cone. So the cone will be, let me use another color so the image will be visible to everyone. So I am cutting this cone here, this way. Look, this will be the cone, and the largest right circular cone. What will be the possible largest circular cone? The diameter of cone must be equal to the edge of side. This is the only condition in which the cone will be largest in shape, size. Okay, so this will be the diameter of the cone, and if this will be the diameter of the cone, what will be the radius? The half of edge, and the radius will be 2.1 centimeter. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we have to find out the volume of cone. We have to find the volume of this cone here. So what will be the formula for cone to calculate the volume? Formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this will be 1 by 3, pi will be 22 by 7 here, and r square, r is 21. So 2.1 can also be written as 221 by 10 here, into h. H is what? H will be the size, height, edge. 42, 4.2 can also be written as 42 by 10 here. Now solve this question. So what we can apply? 1 by 3, 22 by 7. Can we expand it? 21 by 10 here, 21 by 10 here, into 4, 2 by 10, 42. So 7, 3, cancel, 3, 3, cancel here. Now no need to cancel because the denominator is the 10, 10, 10. The product of 3, 10 will be 1000. So we can write here 1000. And in numerator we are getting here 22 into 21 into 42. This will make your calculation easier because you are getting as denominator 1000. So this will make your calculation easier. You can directly put the point over there. So you need to multiply these numbers. So there is a trick, there is a short trick I am giving you. You don't require to move further from this. You don't need to do the calculation further from here. What you have to check here, look, the ones digit is 2, the ones digit is 2, 1 here, and the ones digit is 2 here. So if I multiply the ones position 2 to the 4 into 1, the ones position is 4 here. Look, is there any option whose ones digit is 4? Right, so there is only one option. If there will be any other option, one more option or two more option where the ones digit is 4, then only we have to do the calculation till the end. But here there is only one option in which the ones position after the point is coming due to this 1000 here. Don't need to go through the point here, just check the ones digit first. So on multiplying these 4, we are getting ones position here, so the answer will be 19.4. You can also calculate this, the result will be same. On multiplying these number, the answer will be same. You can check it out. Okay, so I hope you have understood the trick. So this is the way how you can reduce your time, how can you save your time in exam. So no need to go further calculation. Toppers uses these concepts, these tricks, and by applying these tricks, toppers saves their time. So you guys should also apply. No need to do calculation in every question. If there may any possibility to have to do short calculation, just go through that, so that you can save your time to invest that time in bigger question of 5 marker and 4 marker questions, right? Let's move to the next question. So whoever answered right, Aditya, is there anyone who answered D? No one. Oh, no issues guys, you all can do. Next question, try this question. Okay, try this question everyone. Do this question guys. The volume of a right circular cone whose area of the base is 156 centimeter square and the vertical height is 8 centimeter is. And this question has been asked in CBSE board exam in the year 2023. I hope you all can do this question. Please try this question. I am waiting for your answer guys. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, my dear lovely kids, just give me the answer. Give me the answer. Try to do. If you guys are not able to do, don't worry. I'm here. I'll give you the complete concept and clarity how you can tackle, how you can solve the question. But at least you should try. Right? That is my point. So let's try this question. The question is the volume of a right circular cone whose area of the base is 156 centimeter square. Please read this question carefully. Read this question. The volume of, we have to find the volume here in this question. But the area of the base is given. Whose area? Right circular cone. There is right circular cone. You know right circular cone? This is, let's say this is a right circular cone. This is a cone, right circular cone. Right? And this will be the height. And this is called slant height, you all know. Okay, and this is the base, and generally in cone the base is circular in shape, you all know. Base is in circular in shape. So Chintu is answered D. Okay Chintu, let's check the answer D. You are saying answer D. Okay, let's just wait for a while and I'm doing this question and check your answer. Okay, so the area of the base, and the base is circular. Let's say the radius of this circle is R and the area of the base is given to you. Means whose area? Circle's area, right? So circle's area we all know pi r square. This is given to you, which is equals to 156. Call it equation number 1. No need to solve this because the question is asking volume, and the formula for volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. And the pi r square we are calling equation number 1. We can replace here this directly. So no need to solve. Just save your time. Try to make your calculation easier and shorter because it carry only 1 marks. You have to tick the correct option only. Question paper examiner is not going to see your solution, how to solve and how you tackled the question, how you did the question. Doesn't matter. Only answer matter because this is objective type question, right? So 1/3, can we replace this pi r square by 156? Complete pi r square, and the h height is already given here 8, so we can cancel 3, so 5 and 2 will be there, so 52 into 8 will be 8 2 16 here, and 41 centimeter cube, because we are finding the volume. Very good, Chintu. You answered D, right? So very good. All the best. Congratulations, you answered correct. Okay, so I hope other also understood how I solved this question. If you guys are, if you still having any kind of problem in any question, just let me know. Okay, please. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 5. This question is based on assertion and reason here. I hope you all can do this question. What will be the answer? Give me the answer, correct answer. If you all can do this question, just give me thumbs up first. In short, give me thumbs up if you can do this question. If this question seems easy to you, give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your response. My lovely kids. Superb. Come on, guys. These questions are very important. Most probably you will get this question, these kind of question in your pre-board exam. So please be focused and try to solve the question with me. This will boost your calculation. If you can do this question, give me thumbs up. Okay. Should I move ahead? Okay. So look at the question here. So the question is, the assertion is saying the curved surface area of a cone of base radius 6 cm and the slant height 10 cm is 10 pi centimeter square. So let's check the assertion. Either the assertion is right or wrong. Let's check. So we are talking about cone here. So in cone, you all know this is the radius, okay, and it is called slant height. And this is the height, you all know, right? And the curved surface area, Chintu answered C. Okay, Chintu, let's wait. Okay, so we are talking about curved surface area. Do you know the formula of curved surface area? Please, do you know? If you know the formula, give me response. If you know the formula, please, to be very honest, give me thumbs up. You know the formula. So the curved surface area of cone is pi RL, right? Can we put pi as it is? Because we can see here pi is as it is, right? The radius is given here 6 kg, and the slant height is equals to 10 here. Superb. So this is 10 660 pi centimeter square. So the assertion is clearly correct. Right? Now come to the curved surface area of a cone is pi square h. We are talking about curved surface, and the curved surface area of cone, we are taking pi square, which is wrong. This is not the curved surface area of of cone. This is the volume of cylinder. You all know pi square h. So the reason is absolutely incorrect. So we should not go through the correct explanation option. These A and B will not possible, because the reason is completely wrong. Completely wrong, because this is the formula for volume of cylinder, to calculate the volume of cylinder. So what we can conclude here? Assertion is absolutely correct and the reason is absolutely false. So which option will be there? A is true, but wow, C is the correct option. Who answered C here? Let me check. Chintu. Wow, Chintu. Yes, sir. Chintu. Superb, Chintu. All the very best, Chintu. You are doing great. Okay, now I hope you have understood. You all have understood this question, what the question is saying. Let's move to the question number 6. Again, question number 6 is based on assertion in reason. So here look, if we join two hemispheres of same radius along their bases, then we get a sphere. Total surface area of a sphere of radius r is 3 pi r square. What will be the answer, guys? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? If you have understood the concept of this question number 5, then this question will be very easy for you, because I think this question is a bit relatable to the previous one. A bit. Not exactly same, but a bit related to the previous one. So you all can solve this question. Look, what is the first assertion? What assertion is saying? If we join two hemispheres, you know hemispheres? Sir, C again. Chintu is answered C again. Okay, check the answer. Let me do. If we join two hemispheres, my dear lovely kids, I have one hemisphere and I have one more hemisphere. I'm adding these two. here, this one hemisphere is this from top and the other hemisphere is from the bottom. So what we'll be getting? We'll be getting a complete sphere. So this is correct. If you combine two hemispheres this way, so you will be getting a complete hemisphere, like a football, like a ball, right? So we'll get complete sphere, which is correct. Yeah, assertion is absolutely correct. But what reason is saying total surface area of a sphere of radius is 3 pi r square? Is it correct? No. This is absolutely wrong. The total surface area of a sphere is the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. And the reason is saying 3 pi r square? No. Never. So region is incorrect. So and not explaining. If this is incorrect, so it cannot explain, right? Okay, so we can conclude the answer is C again. So Chintu, you answered what you answered? Okay, answer C again. Very good, Chintu. Superb. Okay. So should I move ahead? Give me thumbs up. आगे बढ़ूं? Okay. Can I move ahead to the next question? Just give me thumbs up, guys. Give me thumbs up so that I can move forward to the next question. Still so many good questions are coming in this slide, in this video. So but just be seated and stay with me, stay connected with me in this live session, because this live will be very, beneficial for you, because I'm going to do each and every kind of question in MCQ question, the question which most probably comes in your exam. So you will cover your each concept of MCQ, what kind of question generally in exam comes up, right? So stay with the session. Question number 7. Now do this question. Do this question, guys. Try this question. Can you do this question, guys? Can you do? You all can do this question, I think. The question is very easy. Just go through the language stepwise. First language, second statement, third statement. Just go through the statement stepwise. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Come on, guys. I'm waiting. My champions, my topper students. What will be the answer? You all can do. Let's do the question. The radii of the bases of a cylinder and a cone are in the ratio 3:4 and their heights are, okay. So there are two geometrical shapes. One is cylinder and other is cone. Right? There are two geometrical shapes. One is cylinder and other is cone, and their radii is in ratio 3:4. So I'm calling cylinder as 1, so R1, and the radius of cone I'm calling cone as 2. Okay, Chintu is answered A. Okay, wait, Chintu. So R1 by R2 will be 3/4 as per the question, because the radii are in the ratio 3:4. Okay, now the second statement, the second information is their heights are in the ratio 2:3. Very good. Heights, so H1 by H2 will be 2/3. Okay, so as per the question, I have written two information. Now use these informations. We have to find the ratio of their volume. So the volume, I'm taking in numerator, at numerator I am taking cylinder, and in downward at denominator I am taking a cone here. Okay, so the volume of cylinder will be pi r1 square h1 divided by the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r2 square h2. We have to find this value. Can we cancel pi by pi, and this 3 will be go in upward direction, and r1 by r2 is exactly 3/4, so this will be 3/4 whole square. H1 by h2 is 2/3, so this can be written as 2/3. What will be the answer? 3/4 whole square will be 9/16, and it can also be written as 2/3. Can we cancel this, and this will be this, so answer will be 9:8. Right? So answer number A is correct. Who answered A? Superb. Chintu is constantly doing great work. Sir, can you, hi, YT girl gamer, how Hi, welcome. Hi to everyone. Chintu, sir, can you please suggest a simple book for maths? Yeah, Chintu, I'll surely guide you formally regarding this, but after the completion of this live session, right? So just do this live session first, and as you are doing great work here, so do the questions first, right? Okay. So I hope you have understood it. Let's move to the next question here. The question is the ratio of total surface area to the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Do you know the lateral surface area? The boundary of cylinder is called lateral surface area. When you will be taking the lateral surface area, please remove the top circular surface and the bottom circular surface. Only the boundary, only the wall of cylinder will give you the lateral surface area. And when we will be calculating the total surface area of cylinder, then we'll be considering circular portion as well, right? So we have to find let me draw the diagram of cylinder. This is cylinder, right? So the only boundary, the area of only wall is called lateral surface area, and the total surface area is the combination of these two circular portions and the boundary as well. So we have to find the ratio. Okay, so total surface area TSA of cylinder is, do you know the formula? Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h, right? And lateral surface area of cylinder, I have already told you, when you will be calculating the lateral surface area, what we will consider only the boundary, only the wall of the cylinder, right? And the wall and the area of the wall is 2 pi RH. I hope you have understood. Rohit is answering D. Welcome, Rohit, on Deeksha Vedantu platform in Operation 95 Plus class. Okay, you answer D. So I have already given you the formula. Now can you solve this question, guys? What will be the answer? Just let me know the answer. YT girl is also answer D here. So let's solve. Okay, let's check the answer because you guys are responding well. So we have to find the ratio of, so we have to divide these two. 2 pi r plus h divided by 2 pi rh, right? Superb. So can we cancel 2 pi by 2 pi? So what we are getting here, and r can also be cancelled here. So r plus h by h. Now give me what is radius here? This is 80. What is height here? This is 20. Divided by h is what? 20, right? So 80 plus 20 is 100. Divided by 20 is 0, and 2, 5 just 20. So this is 5 by 1, which is equivalent to 5:1. Superb. So D is correct answer. Wow. Chintu answer D. YT girl answer D. Rohit answer D. Superb, guys. You all are doing great job. It really impresses me a lot. You guys are doing great. Wow. Superb. Let's move to the next question. Now you can do, as you have already solved this question, the level of question is too good. Now you all can solve this question as well. I am waiting for your answer. Just give me the answer. All of you have joined. And my dear lovely kids, who is new and who have already subscribed the channel, very good. You will be getting the notification on time. And you can get advantages of this channel because our teachers, our faculty members are putting 100% effort for you, for each and every subject, right? For your board preparation. And whoever is new here, kindly subscribe the channel. Yes. What will be the answer? Thank you, sir. So, YT girl, can you solve this question, guys? Just give me the answer. Are you enjoying the session? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Yeah. Are you all enjoying the session? Give me thumbs up, guys. Superb. What will be the answer? If you guys are really enjoying the session, give me thumbs up. Chintu is answered A. Okay. Let's solve. A cylinder with a radius of 7 centimeter and a height of 10 centimeter has a total surface area. This is, I think, this is basic question, very simple. This is completely based on formula. If you know the formula, you can solve this question. There is nothing special in this question. Yes, sir, we are enjoying. Superb, Chintu. Thank you. A cylinder with a radius of 7 centimeter and a height of 10 centimeter has a total surface area. So I have already told you this question is completely based on formula. If you know the formula, then the question will be like, put the value, get the answer. Put the value. Honestly, this question is based on formula. Look, can I guess? स्माइल प्रीत सिंह के नाम ले लो प्लीज. Yeah, Smile Preet, keep smiling, keep shining, stay sparkling, stay blessed, my champions. Okay. Kindly make friendship later. First do the questions, guys. Do the question. You all are preparing for your board exam. You don't have so much of time. Let's solve this question. What will be the answer? Okay, so you have to find out the total surface area of cylinder. We know the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. This is completely based on formula, right? So look, 2 into pi will be, can we write 22 by 7, and the radius is already given here. What is the radius? Radius is 7, right? Can we write 7 here? And r plus h, so r is 7 and the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, right? So I am just putting the value. YT girl is answered. So let's wait a while. 7 cancel, so 44 into 17. What will be the answer? Can anyone give me the answer without solving from here, without solving it? Can you give me answer without solving this multiplication of these two numbers? How you can proceed? Look, I'm giving you a short trick, guys. Here the ones position is 7 and here the ones position is 4. And when you will multiply the ones digits of these numbers, so the ones position will be 8. Is there any option whose ones position is 8? Only one option is there whose ones position is 8, whose ones digit is 8. So what we can, without solving it, the answer will be this. Yeah, without solving, no need to go further in calculation from here. No need to go further. Okay, so if there may any other option whose ones digit is 8, then you have to solve the solution till the end. It is not fixed, guys. But in such situation, we can implement, we can conclude such trick here, right, to save the time. So the answer will be 748. You can, for the confirmation, you can also multiply these numbers. So the answer will be 748 centimeter square. Yes, sir. Unit digit is Sneha Jaiswal answered A. Sneha, very good. Superb, guys. Wow. So can I move ahead to the next question, guys? Hope this question is clear to everyone, because this is very easy question. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Quickly, fast, give me thumbs up so that I can move ahead to the next question. Still, there are so many top questions are remaining. Top question, the questions which may come in your pre-board exam as well as in your board exam, exactly same or a bit relatable, right? So wait. Sir Chintu is topper of our class. Very good. You should also be a topper. You can also be a topper of your class. Okay, so give me thumbs up, guys, so that I can move ahead to the next question. Question number 10. Superb, Sneha Jaiswal. Wow, I'm waiting for the others' response. Yeah. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Solve this question. Superb. If any one of you is still having problem and whoever is not able to solve the question, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm here. I will solve the question. I'll give you complete clarity how you can solve the question. What is the concept behind the question? Don't worry. But my request is you should try at least once, because just check your mistake, analyze your mistake, made mistakes before your exam. You know, instead of making the mistakes in examination hall, make mistakes here and rectify all those mistakes so that you can improve your calculation, you can improve your accuracy, you can further make your calculation stronger in concept. So do this question. Superb. You all are doing great job, my dear lovely kids. Rohit, everyone, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu platform. So what will be the answer? Now do this question. A cone has a radius of 8 centimeter. So radius of cone is 8 centimeter and slant height is 10 centimeter. Slant height is represented by L, small l. Right. We have to find the volume. We know we are talking about cone here. We are talking about cone, and the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So to calculate volume, we require two things. One is radius and other is h. My answer is 130, Chintu. Okay, let's check, Chintu. So we required radius and height both. But in this question, only radius and slant heights are given. So to calculate the volume, we required h as well. So find out the h here. So let me show you three terms of cone here. This is called h, the straight line, the exact height of cone, and this is called, my dear lovely kids, radius, and this is called slant height. And we all know there is a right angle triangle. Look at the right angle triangle, and if we have a right angle triangle, we are free to apply Pythagoras theorem. We are free to apply Pythagoras theorem, right? So applying Pythagoras theorem, AH, because this is the hypotenuse, so this will be, the square of hypotenuse will be the square of sum of square of these two, h and r. And we are keen to find the value of h square. So we can shift r here this side, L square minus r square. So L is what? L is 10, and the square of 10 will be 100, minus R is what? 8, and the square of 8 will be 64. So we are getting h square will be 36, and the square will be under root 36. We know this will be, h will be 6 centimeter. So Chintu, sorry, and don't worry Chintu, just rethink the question, you can solve, yeah, because you are doing great job. Now put the value. Pi is what? 22 by 7. Radius we have 8, and the square of 8 will be, let's put 8 first. Let's put 8 first. And the height we have just find out here, 6. Right. So can we cancel this 6 from this 2? So this will be 22 into 8 square, 64, and this 2 is there, divided by 7. Now solve this question. Sir, I think option. Solve this question, let's check. Might be. Let's check the answer. So the answer will be, what we can do here, 44 into 64 divided by 7. So let's multiply it. 44 into 64 will be 16, 176, 24, 2, 26. Okay, so what will be the answer? 6, 11, and this will be 8, this will be 2, 2816. Now divide this 2816 from 7. 2816. So this will be 4. Now I don't require to solve this question furthermore, because you can see here, when we are getting the multiplication of these two numbers, 2816 divided by 7, and on dividing this number from 7, we are getting first digit is 4. Is there any option whose first digit is 4? No, any other option except D. So what will be the answer? You can check further. You can check your answer as we are getting this or not. This will be the answer. I am very much confident, because the first digit, this digit, like 100th position, this is equals to 4, and there is no any other option except D whose this position is 4. So this will be the answer, D. Chintu Sneha Jaiswal answer D. Superb. Rohit also answer D. And Chintu Candy, correct answer. Yeah, approximately that will be equal, but if 402.12 is not given there, you can go through the option. Approximately that is 402. So this will be the answer. I hope you have understood it. I hope this is clear to everyone. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up, my dear lovely kids. I hope this is clear to everyone. Can I move ahead? Superb. Okay. Now this question. This question is a bit tricky, a bit lengthy question, but this is very important, competency level based question. Yeah, you may get this question in your any exam, like in pre-board exam, or such question also comes in board exam. Okay, so the volume of a cuboid is, you know cuboid, you all know cuboid. I hope you know cuboid. You must be knowing about cuboid. Okay, so cuboid is this, you know, volume of cuboid is this. This is cuboid. So LBH, L into B into H is equals to 288, because this is the volume of cuboid. You can write centimeter cube also unit, and this is equation number 1. Can you solve this question, everyone? I'm waiting for your answer. If there may anyone who can solve this question before me, I'll be very happy to see your answer. Yeah. Okay. One thing is here, and its dimensions are in the ratio 2:3:4. What is its surface area? Wow. And the surface area of cuboid is what? This is volume. We have to find the surface area. Surface area of cuboid. Do you know formula? I hope you all know formula of total surface area of cuboid, and which is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. I hope you all know L denotes length, B denotes breadth, H denotes height, right? And let's say let me show you cuboid. This is cuboid. You all know box of a shoe, a brick, complete brick, yeah, shoe box. These all are cuboidal in shape. So this is called length, this is breadth, and this is height, right? So we have to find here. So Rohit answered B. Let's check. Okay, so one thing is given LBH and we have to find this. So how we can solve this question? The dimensions are in the ratio 2:3:4. So look how we can solve this question. If the dimensions are in the ratio 2:3:4, what we can write here, if the product of these three is equals to volume, so ratio are there, so we can put x, 2x into 3x into 4x will be equals to 288. And on solving this, we are getting 24x equals to 288. So the x will be 288 divided by 24, which will be 12, I think. Yeah, so x is equals to 12. This is x cube, sorry, because we are multiplying x. So this will be x cube. X cube is 12 here. If x cube is 12 here, so can we write x as 12 whole cube? Yeah, we can write x equals to 12 whole cube. I've already told you this question is a bit lengthy. There is huge calculation, mathematical calculation. But if we are doing mathematics, so we cannot run away from calculation. This will give us marks. Okay. Now find out the area. How we can find this area? Now if x is the cube root of 12, so can we find length, breadth and height separately first? So the length will be, this is 2x. So this will be 2 into cube root of 12, right? Breadth is 3x. So this will be, this is width. So this will be 3 into cube root of 12, and the height is what? 4. So we can write 4x. So 4 into cube root of 12. Now we can put these values here. We are finding total surface area of cuboid. So 2 into L is what? L is 2. This is not 2 into 3. Make sure, because we are writing here the cube root of 12. Please. Okay. So 2 into cube root of 12 into breadth is 3 into what? Cube root of 12 plus B into H. B is what? 3 into cube root of 12, right? Into H is what? 4 into cube root of 12 plus H is what? 4 into cube root of 12 into L. L is what? 2 into cube root of 12. Yeah, solve this. It looks a bit complex, but this is very easy. Don't worry. We have to solve it. Okay, so what will be the final result here? Look, 2 into 3. This will multiply. These two numbers will multiply, right? 3 to just 6 here, 6. And this is also there, cube root of 12. Plus, we can multiply this 3 from this 4. So this will be 12 into 3 root 12. Okay, this is 12. And on multiplying these two numbers, 4 into 8, that will be 8 into cube root of 12. So if these three are cube root family, cube root of 12, so can we add 6 here, 6, 12, 6, 18, and this 8 also here. So can we add these three families? So the result will be 26 into 3 root 12. And this will be what? This will be 52. And here, look, one more thing. 3 root 12, we are multiplying 3 root 12 into 3 root 12. Cube root of 12 into cube root of 12. So this will be also in square form. Yes, this will be also in square form, and this will be also in square form. Yeah, these numbers are also multiplying. So we have to put here square also. I hope you have understood it. Right, so this will be 52 into we can write now 12 into 2 by 3. because we are doing the square of cube root, and the square of cube root can also be written as 12 to power 2 by 3. 12 to power 2 by 3, and this can also be modified by 52 into 12 square to power 1 by 3. Yes, we all can write. If you are writing 2 to power 2 by 3, you can write this format like this: 2 square to power 1 by 3. Yes, both are same. There is no difference. Mukesh Solanki, yes sir. Welcome Mukesh on Deeksha Vedantu platform in Operation 95 live session. Okay, so this is 52 and this is 12 square will be 144 1 by 3, right? And the cube root of 142, when you will be calculating the cube root of 144 is almost 5.25. You can calculate, you can find out. Now multiply these two number. On multiplying these two number, the answer comes as 273 centimeter square. If you guys required, I can solve this question further, but on multiplying, this number will come like 273. Kindly check the answer and give me thumbs up whether this answer is correct or not. 273. Main thing is the procedure, how to initiate, how to proceed the solution, how to start the solution, how to tackle the question. So this question demand a bit huge calculation, mathematical calculation. Yeah, I know, but we cannot do anything because this is all about 1 marks in your exam, so we have to do the calculation as well. I hope you have understood the solution. Please copy it. I hope you have understood. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up, guys. I'm waiting for your response. My lovely kids, my champion kids, my champion kids, I'm waiting for your response. Give me thumbs up, a lovely thumbs up. Your thumbs up encourages me a lot, and you all are very important for me because Chintu, yes sir, superb, superb. Yeah. Okay, so moving to the next question. Question number 12. Look at the question number 12. What is the total surface area of a hemisphere with a diameter of 8 centimeter? Superb, Chintu. Give me the answer of this question. Just tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, please. What will be the answer of this question? Again, I'm telling you everyone, this question is based on formula, fully formula. If you know the formula of surface area of hemisphere, you can tackle this question. You can solve this question just in 30 seconds. Yeah, this question only required 50 to 30 seconds. Just give me answer. What will be the answer? You all know hemisphere. You must be knowing about hemisphere. The half of a sphere is called hemisphere. Superb. Yeah. What will be the answer? We have to find out the total surface area, my champions. Answer B. Chintu is answered B. Let's check what will be the answer. Others, I'm waiting for others' response. What others are doing? Come on guys, come on 10 champion kids, please participate. Yes, because this is your crucial time, this is your very golden period. You can boost your preparation with us, with the teachers of Deeksha Vedantu, because Rohit answered B. Okay Rohit, let's check the answer. Okay, so let's do. We have to find out the total surface area of hemisphere. Do you know the formula of hemisphere? If anyone knows the formula who solved the question, please write down the formula in comment section. I want to confirm. I want to check whether you know the formula or not. Just give me the formula. So the total surface area of hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere. The meaning of hemi is half, and the sphere is there, so half of sphere. Superb. So the total surface area of hemisphere is what? Is this correct formula? I have written correct formula. No, this is curved surface area. So I'll make here 3. This is the total surface area. 2 pi r square is the curved surface area and 3 pi r square is the total surface area in hemisphere. Because hemisphere looks like this. Look. And this is the curved surface, and the formula to calculate this is 2 pi r square, and on combining this circle, one more circle is there, and the area of circle is pi r square. So if you add these two, so 2 pi r square plus pi r square will be what? 3 pi r square. So basically this is the total surface area. 3 pi, no, 3 pi r cube. Chintu, you written 3 pi r cube. Are you sure? Come on, rethink about it. This is, Chintu, I think you made mistake here. 3 pi r square. Rohit is correct. Okay. Chintu is saying sorry. No need to worry, Chintu. Don't worry, it happens. Superb. So 3 pi. Now put the values. 3 pi and r square. R is what? The diameter is 8. Diameter is 8. Diameter is 8. So radius will be 4. The half of diameter is called radius. So we can put here 4 but square. So this will be 3 pi into 4 square is 16. So this will be 48 pi centimeter square. Is there any option? Yeah, option number B. Superb. Who answered B? Chintu, Rohit. Wow, superb. You both are correct here. So the total surface area of hemisphere is 48 pi square. I hope you all have understood. So, sir, why you come in our school as a maths teacher? So guys, this comment is a bit funny. Guys, you can study with me here in virtual mode. I'm giving you, I usually generally comes in live session. I'm putting here one short session on this channel, Deeksha Vedantu. You can study here as well. Yeah, I'm here for you everyone, my champions. Okay, let's move to question number 13. Okay, so the question number 13 is, look at the question. This question is based on a sphere and one cylinder is also there. Okay, so first search out what geometrical shapes are there. So in this question, two geometrical shapes are there. One is a sphere and other is cylinder. Now just go through the question, read the question carefully. What the question is saying, what question is saying, what kind of informations are provided here. Superb. Look at the question. The question is, a sphere of radius 6 cm is dropped into a cylindrical vessel partly filled with water. Partly filled. Partly means the cylindrical vessel is not fully filled. Right? Partly means a small portion of cylindrical vessel is filled with water. Right? So just draw the diagram. Let me show you. Let me clear you with the diagram. So this is a cylinder. Okay, this is cylindrical vessel and this is filled with water. Partly means not fully filled till the brim. The cylinder is not filled with till brim. This is just filled like this. Okay, now look at the question. Okay, so a sphere of radius 6 cm. You know, whenever you put anything in the water filled in any vessel, what happens? The level of water comes up. You all know. This is the concept and you have already studied in physics, Archimedes principle, I hope, right? So basically what happening here, when we are putting a sphere in this, so the sphere, when I'm putting the sphere here, like this is a sphere and the radius of a sphere is 6 cm. Just let me know what happens when we put anything inside water. Hi sir, Venom, I was waiting for you, Venom. Where were you? Super Venom, welcome. So Umair, welcome Umair. Okay, so the sphere is of radius 6 cm. So what happens when we put anything inside the water? When the water is filled in any vessel, the level of water comes up. Same thing is happening here as well. So as we put the sphere inside the cylindrical vessel which is filled with water, what will happen? The water will comes up. Like let's say the level of water goes this way here. Let's say this is the level of water till h height. The level of water is increased by h. Let's say I'm letting it. So how much water will be here? How much water will be raised up? The water raised up will be equal to the volume of a sphere, because the sphere is replacing, sphere is occupying that space. So that space, the water at that space will rise up. So the volume of cylinder which is rising up will be equal to the volume of sphere here. This is the concept. So what we have to do here, we have to put volume of water raised up will be equal to what? Volume of cylinder. Sorry, volume of a sphere. I hope you have understood the concept. Rohit is answered C. Okay, let's wait for a while, Rohit. You may correct. Okay, volume of waterized. So this will be the volume of waterized, and this is in cylindrical shape because the vessel is cylinder. So the shape of rising water will be also cylindrical in shape. So we know we know the formula, the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So I'm letting this h and radius is this cylinder, okay, will be equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. I'm taking this r1 and this r2 because the radius of both spheres are different. Okay, so can we cancel this pi by this pi? And the radius, this radius is of what? Cylinder, and we know the radius of cylinder is what? The vessel, this is 8 centimeter. So the 8 square into, we have to find h here, 4 by 3, and r2 is what? R2 cylinder, the radius of a sphere, which is 6 here, so 6 cube, right? Now solve this question. Okay, Chintu answered D. Wait, Chintu, so let's check. 64 into h will be 4 by 3 into 6 cube is 216. I hope you all know it. So h will be 4 by 3 into 216 divided by 64, because 64 here is in multiplication form. On shifting this 64 here, it will go in divide form, right? So can we cancel it here? This will cancel by this 2 7 and 2, okay, right, 72. Okay, so and this will be 16. So now again we can cancel 36 2, and this will be 8. Again we can cancel 18, and this will be 9. So can we divide? Can we divide this? So what will be the 36? Okay, we are cancelling this. Can we? I think there may be some mistake here. 64 into h will be 4 by 3 into 216. So what will be the result? 4 by 3 into 216 divided by 64. Okay, now cancel it. So this will be cancelled by this 72, and this will be cancelled by this. Okay, now on dividing this 72 by 16, you can easily see here, this is 72 and this is 16. So 16 4, the 16, if you multiply 16 4, that is 64, which is a bit less than 72. So when we dividing this, look, right? So 4 is there, and is there any option which is starting from 4? Only one option. Option number D. Aisagi, welcome Aisagi on Deeksha Vedantu platform. Sir, in my school, Smilepreet is saying, sir, in my school I will be having maths paper after 2 days, and I have not done preparation that much, and now I'm feeling afraid. Sir, what should I do? Don't be worried about your exam, guys. Exam is for you, and everything, whatever the question and theoretical part will come in your exam, that will be from your book. Nothing will be beyond your syllabus. So just stick with the channel Deeksha Vedantu. We are providing complete academic solution. No need to worry. Be confident. Let's move to the next question. I hope this is clear to everyone. So on dividing 72 from 16, we will be getting 4.5. Now come to next question. The question number, Naveen, welcome Naveen. Where were you, Naveen? A circle. Don't worry, Naveen. In next video, most probably I'll be giving you, for you guys, the complete one-shot video of circle, recorded form. Don't worry. I have already concerned about your query, whatever you are putting, comment, and what you are demanding, guys. We are for you, everyone. Don't worry. This channel is completely dedicated to you, for 10 students. Okay, so let's move to the next question, question number 14, which is HOTS, competency. Very important question. Very important. Okay, I'm waiting. Try this question, guys. Question number 14. I hope you all can do this question. Just go through the question. When, sir? Parth. Welcome, Parth. Where were you, Parth? I was waiting for you, my dear. Okay, Parth. So most probably within 2 and 3-4 days, the one-shot video of circle will be uploaded on channel. Sir, from 15th, we have maths pre-board. Don't worry, Parth. Don't worry. See, no need to lose your confidence, guys, because this is very crucial time. If in this period you will be losing your confidence, no one can save you. So be confident. Stay very determined. Everything will happen very in your favor. Don't worry. Just stick with the channel. Follow our instruction, and just go through the live session, because these live session will be very beneficial for you everyone. You all can take advantage from the live sessions. I'm requesting you, not only in maths, for every subject. Okay, let's do the question. Now, Smalpreet, okay, sir, options. So, okay, the height and base radius of a cone, we are talking about cone here, only cone, and the height and base radius both is increased by 50%. If I'm talking about 50%, what is 50%? You all know 50% means 1 by 2, half, right? So the new radius will be what? New radius, the earlier original radius was R, and this is increased. Chintu is saying option A, and this is increased by half percent, so R by 2 is increasing, so the new radius will be 3R by 2. I hope you have understood, because the 50% of R will be what? R by 2. That's why I'm taking here R by 2. And the new radius, new height will be what, my dear kids? H plus H by 2, because height is also increasing by 50%. So the new height will be 3H by 2. I hope you have understood it. Now, determine the ratio between the volume of the given cone and the new cone. Very good. We have to find the volume of original cone to the volume of new cone. Very easy. Volume of original, O is representing original and N is for new cone. Okay. So the volume of cone is 1 by 3 R1 square H1, and I'm taking here 1 by 3 R2 square H2, right? So what we can do, this will cancel by this, okay, and R1 can be written as R square and H as H, and R2 is new radius, which is 3R by 2. So 3R by 2 whole square. We have to find the ratio of what? Given cone and to the new cone. So I'm taking here new cone in at denominator side, okay, and this is height H2. H2 is also what? 3H by 2. Now solve this question. What will be the result here? So this will be R square H, and here this will be 3R square by, so this will be 9R square, and 3H will be there, and these two terms, 2 square will be 4 and 4 to 8, and this will 8 go here this side. So can we cancel H by H, R square by H? So we are getting 8 by 27, which is equals to 8 ratio 27. I hope you have understood it. So the answer is 8 ratio 27. Very good. Who have answered correct? Chintu. Answer A. Chintu has answered correct. Now what others are doing? I'm waiting for the answer. So answer number A is correct. I hope you have understood it. Okay. Now next question. This question is from CBSE 2024 board exam. So if you can do this question, so I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy if you can do this question. Okay. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. The ratio of the sphere area. This is star type question. This is star question. Yeah. Very conceptual question. Very easy, yeah, but conceptual. Okay. So what question is saying? Is this clear to everyone? Give me thumbs up, guys. Give me thumbs up. My dear champion kids, give me thumbs up. My lovely kids. Is this clear? Is this question clear? Can I move ahead to question number 15? Give me thumbs up. So I can move comfortably to the next question, because I know the confirmation from you all. Okay. I want confirmation from you all. Superb. Sir, from 15th we have maths pre-board. Okay, no issues. Your preparation is going on well. Just go through the live session, join the live sessions, go through my one-shot video on Deeksha Vedantu channel. The query will be resolved of yours. Whatever your difficulty you have part, everything will be washed away. Don't worry, I'm here. Okay, question number, look at the question number 15 here. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. Very good. This is a solid sphere of radius R, and we have cutted two hemispheres. One hemisphere is this, a very bakwas hemisphere. So let me redraw the hemisphere. Okay, so one hemisphere is this, right, and other hemisphere this. We are making two hemispheres from this sphere. The radius will remain same, this radius, and this radius. So we all know the total surface area of a sphere is what? 4 pi r square, you know, and the total surface area of hemisphere is what? 3 pi r square, and for this also 3 pi r square. And the combination, if we combine these two, because the question is asking to find the ratio of the surface area of a sphere to that of two hemispheres taken together. So if we'll take together these two, on taking these two together, we have to take the area 6 pi r square, and this is 4 pi r square of this original sphere. We have to find the ratio. So the ratio will be what? 4 pi r square divided by this 6 pi r square, right? So can we cancel this pi by this pi, this r by r square, and 2 to 3. So the answer will be 2 by 3, which is equivalent to 2:3. Superb. Answer number C. Answer number C is correct. Very easy question, but conceptual. And this question is recently asked in the year 2024. This is not very old question. This is very most recent question, 2024. So we cannot ignore such question. You have to be very ready for these kind of question, my dear lovely kids. Very good, sir. A, C, C. I was waiting for your response. I think there is technical glitch. That's why I was not able to get your comments. My dear lovely sir, move ahead. Okay. Question number 16. The volume of the largest right circular cone that can be carved out from a solid cube. Such question, just similar to this question, we have already solved. But this question is from your recent board exam 2024. That's why I'm taking this question again in this slide. Right? This is very recent question. What will be the answer? Give me a correct option. Give me correct answer, my dear lovely kids. What will be the answer? What will be the correct option? Which will be the correct option? Okay, the volume of, I'm waiting for your response, my champions. I'm waiting for your response. The volume of the largest right circular cone that can be carved out from a solid cube. Very good. So there is a solid cube. Let's say this is a cube here, and I'm carving. Carving means cutting. Okay, and I'm carving, sir, D option. Let's check into. And there is a cone here. I'm cutting this cone. I'm cutting this cone here, this way. Right? I'm cutting this cone from this. So what will be the height of the cone? The height will be just equal to the edge length. So this will be 2 centimeter. And if the diameter is again 2 centimeter, so the radius will be what? 2 by 2, which will be 1 centimeter. So we have radius and we have height. Now can we find volume? The largest cone, the volume of the largest cone. So the volume will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula. So what will be the answer? 1 by 3. Keep the pi as it is because the option is also containing pi here. So pi into r is what? 1 square, and h is what? 2 here. So this will be, v will be 2 pi by 3 what? Centimeter. Because we are talking about volume, so this will be 2 pi by 3. Is there any option? Option number D. Yes, option number D. Chintu is correct again. Yeah, option number D is here. Because we are finding volume, so I think there should be, here should be centimeter cube. Like we are finding volume here. Okay, now next move to the next question. Question number 17. If the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder, and this question is from CBSE 2012. Okay. Sure, Chintu, I'll help you out. Music of Raj. Welcome, Music of Raj, in this live session. Okay. If the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is halved, let's say, the question is saying, if the radius of a right circular cylinder is halved. So, original radius was, let's say I'm letting here, original radius, let's say, original radius is R. Okay, and Naveen is saying answer C. Music of Raj is also. Let's check, Okay, if the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is halved, so the new radius will be the new radius will be r by 2 because I'm letting the original radius as r. So the new radius will be r by 2. Then the ratio, and keeping the height same, no change in height is same here. Okay. Then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to that original cylinder. We have to find the ratio of the volume of cylinder. And first we have to take volume, new cylinder we obtained to the volume of the original cylinder, right? Original cylinder. So volume, Chintu is answered C. Okay, check the answer. Volume of original cylinder will be pi r square h. Call it equation number 1. And volume of new cylinder will be pi, and the radius will be r by 2, right? R by 2 whole square, and height keeping the height same, so h is same here. This is equation number 2. We have to find the ratio. So ratio will be divide these two, pi r square h divided by pi, and this will be r square by 4, and here is h. So pi will be cancelled by pi, r square by r square, h by h, and this 4 will go on in upward direction, 4 by 1. So the answer is 4:1. Answer is 4:1. You guys said answer C. How? Look, the question is asking find the volume of the cylinder thus obtained. Okay, the new cylinder, okay, to the originals. Okay, you guys are right because we have to take this upward. Okay, so pi, superb, great job my champions. This will be pi r square h, superb. So pi will be cancelled by pi, h will be cancelled by h, so r square by 4, r square, yes, 1:4. You guys are right here. Superb, great job my champions. Naveen answered C, Music of Raj answered C, Chintu also answered C. Superb, great job my champions. Okay, now question number 18. Okay, so the question number 18 is a rectangular sheet of paper 44 cent. Okay, there is a rectangular piece of paper. Can you guys answer this question? The rectangular sheet of paper 44 centimeter by 18 centimeter. So basically this is length and this is breadth. This is breadth here, right? You know, length cross breadth. Generally the dimension of rectangular sheet is given in this form, L cross B. So this is length and this is B, right? So can we draw the diagram here? This will be 44 centimeter and this will be 18 centimeter. And this rectangular sheet is folding, rolling this way. I'm just rolling this way to make a cylinder here. So in bottom, at the bottom, there will be a circle whose perimeter will be equal to this. If I will roll this in the form of cylinder, in this form, so this perimeter, which is 2 pi r, will be equal to 44 because we are rolling this cylinder along its length. We are rolling this piece of paper in this way, right? So the perimeter of base will be equal to what? 44. So 2 pi r will be 44. We have just rolled this piece of paper along the length, right? So 2 pi is 22 by 7 into radius equals to 44. So what will be 44r by 7 is equals to 44, right? So can we cancel this 44 by 44? So we are getting here 1, and on multiplying this 7 this side, r we are getting here 7 centimeter. So we got radius. Radius is 7 centimeter. But the question is asking what? Oh, question is simply asking radius. Wow, the answer is 7 centimeter. And this question is from what? From board 2014, right? So the answer is 7 centimeter. But I modified this question and I'm asking one more thing here to find out the volume of cylinder. So you have radius 7 centimeter, just we found here, and the height will be 18 centimeter because we are rolling the piece of paper in this way along 44. So this will be the height. So h will be 18 centimeter, right? And this will be what? circumference, and the radius we have already calculated, right? So we have radius, we have height. So what will be the volume? So volume will be pi r square h, and we know pi can be written, pi, keep it as it is. Radius is 7 square and h is, so this will be pi into 49 into 18. But in board only this was of board question of in 2014 this question was asked, but I am just asking normally. I have added this one more portion here. Okay, superb. Good evening, sir. Palla Potula, yes, welcome. Palla Potula, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu. Siddhaya Matapati, good evening, sir. Very good evening, Siddhaya. Superb. Good evening, sir. Very good evening, guys. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Superb. So you have found, oh, great. You are calculating the answer. Superb. This will be the answer. Superb. Welcome, everyone. So can we move to next question? Yeah, solve this question, everyone. Now solve this question, everyone. Palla Potulo, Siddhaya Matapati, Chintu. Kindly solve this question. You guys, you all can do. You all my champions. You all my champion kids. You can do this question. Solve this question. What will be the answer? Just go through the language, go through the information, read the question very calmly, very, yeah. Sir, please take my name. Ankita. Yeah, Ankita. Welcome, Ankita, to Deeksha Vedantu platform in 95 plus session. Okay, Ankita is giving the answer A. Very good, Ankita. Let's check the answer. Let's wait for a while. And I am doing the question for you, everyone. Music of Raj is answered A. Palla Potula is also writing the answer A. Superb, guys. You all are doing great job. See, it doesn't matter your answer is right or wrong. The most important thing is you guys are trying. You guys are putting your effort. Just check your mistakes, analyze your mistake before the exam. And that is very good. Great to see you, everyone. You all are participating. Superb. Okay, I'm moving to the solution. The perimeter of bases of two right circular cones. So there are two circular cones. One is this and other is this. So if two circular cones are here, okay, so, okay guys, I got the point. You all are answering A. Let's wait for a while. Okay, and I'm taking this is R2, right? Okay, now, and their volume are in the ratio. So I'm taking this H as H1 and the height of this right circular cone is H2. Now, according to question, look, the perimeter of bases, you know, base is circle, this circle and this circle. And you know, the perimeter of bases is what? 2 pi r, the perimeter of circle. And the perimeter of base of this cone will be again the circle. And the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r2 because I am letting here radius as 2. Chintu is answered C. Some is answering A. Some is, let's check. Okay. And the perimeter of, okay, the ratio of perimeter is 3:4. So what we have to do here, look, 2 pi r1 divided by 2 pi r2 is given as 3:4. Do it first. So 2 pi cancelled by 2 pi. So r1 by r2 we are getting as 3/4. Call it equation number 1. And their volume of this cylinder, so 1/3 pi r2 square r1 square h1 divided by 1/3 pi r2 square h2 is equals to 9:32. 9:32. Now solve this. 1/3 is cancelled by 1/3. We are getting here r1 by r2 whole square and h1 by h2. And what question is demanding? Question is asking to find the ratio of their heights. Superb. So this is r1 by r2. We have already r1 by r2 equals to 3/4. So 3/4 whole square into h1 by h2 is equals to 9/32. Now can we move? Can we shift this bracket this side? So this will be 4 square, 16, 3 square and will be 9. So can we cancel 9 by 9 and this will be 8 and this will be 16 and 8 to just 16. So the answer is 1/2 which is equals to 1:2. The answer is 1:2. 1/2 which is equals to 1:2. Okay, answer number C. Who answered C? Okay, Who answered C? Very good. Chintu, you answered correct. Ankita Mar, you answered C. Ankita answered both A and C. Wow, you are confusing me. Okay, super Ankita. Well, if your answer is C, correct. You are on right track. Very good. My answer is wrong, sir. Don't worry, Palla Potula. You guys are trying. This is very good. Just resolve the question. Try it once again. You can do this question. I think there is nothing challenging. Sir, Chintu is saying, sir, recommend a simple paper book, please, because I have to go. So where, therefore, I can make. Actually, I have to look into it. Which simple paper is good for you, and then I'll let you know. In next live session, I'll surely let you know, because I have to analyze. I have to check whether which simple paper will be productive, fruitful for you. I cannot recommend you in a hurry. Okay. Okay. Super. Now, last question of this session. I'm trying, and I'm hoping you all can do this question. If you guys really enjoyed the session of live of most top 20 MCQs today, just give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up, everyone. Yes, Ankita, give me thumbs up if you really enjoyed the questions, and if you feel these questions are very important for your exam. And most probably, I'm assuring you, you will get such questions in your exam, in your pre-board exam as well as in your board exam. Okay, I'm not Ankita, I'm Karthik. Okay, Karthik. Superb. When is your live session? Chintu is asking, when is your live session? So Chintu, the live session will be informed earlier before the live scheduled, and you will get the notification on the channel. So keep. Yes, sir. Enjoyed. Very good. You will be informed before the live session, 2 days before. Don't worry, Chintu. We all are very concerned about you all, my lovely kids, because we are also dreaming that you get good marks in your board exam. You may all come in 95+%, right? Not in only maths, in every subject. Okay, you can be proud of your parents, right? We all are hoping. Okay, sir, enjoyed. Give me thumbs up, yaar. Give me thumbs up. You all have enjoyed it. Okay, so the question number 20. The sum of the length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 6/3. Very good. So just read the statement, first language, first sentence. What is the first sentence? There is a cuboid and the sum of all these three, length, breadth and height, is equals to 6/3. So can I write L plus B plus H is equals to 6/3? Simple. And I'm calling this equation number 1. Simple. Okay. Now look, the length of its diagonal is 2/3. The length of diagonal is 2/3. One information is also given here, one more information, which is diagonal, and we have to find the total surface area. You know the total surface area of cuboid. Palla Potula answered C. Okay, you may correct, you may right or wrong, Palla Potula. Just wait for a while. Let's check the answer. So we have to find this 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Why I am writing this formula? Because this gives the total surface area of cuboid, and we have to find the value of this. Right? So how we can proceed here? Look, there is a magic. What we can do, you all know, if I write here L plus B plus H whole square. So can we open this bracket using algebraic identity? Okay, so can we apply L square plus B square plus H square? You know A plus B plus C whole square, which is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2C. Same algebraic identity I am applying here. But the difference is that at the place of ABC we are writing LBH. Don't worry, we can write anything, but the identity is same here. And this will be 2 into LB, 2 into BH and 2 into HL. Okay, and L plus B plus H is already given 6/3. So we can write here 6/3 whole square. And this is equals to L square plus B square plus H square. Right? Look, this is equals to L square plus B square plus H square. And how we can solve it? Now, this is basically the diagonal. You know, in any cuboid, like this is a cuboid here. This is cuboid. You know, this is what? Length. This is breadth and this is height, right? And this is called diagonal. And diagonal is equals to what? Diagonal is equals to the sum of all these three sides but under root. L square plus b square plus h square. If I square both sides, this will be equals to d square, L square plus b square plus h square. So can we replace this by d square? Simple. So at the place of this format, this will replace by d square, and we can take 2s common here. So 2 into lb plus bh plus hl. Right? Now look, 6 root 3, the square of 6 root 3 will be 36 into 3. The root will removed, and this is diagonal, and diagonal is also given here, and this will be 2 under root 3 whole square. And this is what? This is what? 2 into lb plus bh plus hl, which is equals to what? The total surface area. So can I write here at the place of this whole family, can I write here total surface area? And we have to find that, right? So this will be 36 into 3 will be 108, and this will be 2 root 3 whole square, and this will be 12. I hope you have understood. The square of 2 root 3 will be 12 plus TSA, total surface area. So total surface area will be, shift this 12 this side, so this will be 108 minus 12. So the total surface area will be, what will be the answer? Check it once, check it once. This will be 6 and this will be 96 centimeter square. So the answer number C is correct. Wow. Who answered correct? Chintu, answer C. Chintu is writing so many comments. Wow. Pulaputula, you are also correct here. Your answer is correct. So very good, champions. You did great job, and thank you so much for joining the session, and keep following us, keep following our instruction, and we are here to boost your preparation of your board exam, right? So stay tuned with the channel. Whatever we are putting for you, one shot video, 2, 3, 4 marker videos, and live session, just come in live session. This will be very beneficial, and you will feel when you will be sitting in your exam, I'm assuring you, you will be remembering me, because these questions most probably you will get in your exam. I'm assuring you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the session, and let's meet in the next session. And till now, take care, stay blessed, stay sparkling, everyone. Thank you so much.